Hello and welcome to Lux Lux Lucem. I am Frank. This is my TB Outdoor CAC S200 folding knife. It's the official French Army field knife. So, what exactly is a training knife and what is it used for? A knife cuts, normally. And often it stings. When you need to practice knife handling or for combat training, you need a knife that won't injure you or your partner. That's why tactical and military knife manufacturers offer training knives for folding knives or fixed blades. These knives replicate the exact shape, weight, and balance of the original knife, but without the risk of injury. They're made with polymer, resin, or plastic blades, and sometimes with steel blades. But they are always unsharpened and wounded. As seen here with the training CAC, the blade isn't even ground, let alone sharpened, and the tip is rounded. Have you noticed the holes in the blade? This lightens it and give it the same weight as a sharp pointed blade by removing material and therefore mass. All of this is designed to provide the same feel during training as with a real knife, the one that cuts, but without the risk of injury. If you'd like to treat yourself to a CAC or to another TB Outdoor knife, here's my link for free blade engraving, a gift worth 10 euros. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon for another episode of Knives for Beginners. Thanks to TB Outdoor for lending me this training knife. If you liked this video and want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Please like, share and comment, it really helps out the channel to grow. Thanks for watching. I am still Frank and you're still watching Lux Lux Lucem. Take care and see you soon.